Hi guys, hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you the CPN trade line 1 of 4 guaranteed approval. And this video was uploaded by Fresh Credit Life, so credits to you, buddy. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to play his video and share our own thoughts and opinions about it. So what are you waiting for? Stay on your seat and listen until the end of the video. Let's go.
This primary MasterCard. It's called the First Progress MasterCard. It's going to be a secured card, so you have to make a deposit.
The credit card owner is going to make you an authorized user, and that's why it's very reliable in making you have a great credit score. So let's continue.
Of $200, and it's a fast 7-day reporting.
And you can see here that the card reports to all 3 credit bureaus every month to help establish or reestablish new credit history. So it seems that it's a very reliable trade line. You have nothing to worry about since it's going to report to the credit bureaus, and it will make you recognized, right? And will make you have good credit score because you have a line of credits, right? Credit history because of their trade line. And it depends on the service if about how long will it stay the trade line. Will you be an authorized user for that credit card? It depends on your agreement and your payment. So, yeah, about trade lines, we also offer that. You can go to cpngenerator.com and you can check our offers and services. But before that, we'd like to enlighten you and guide you along the way before going to the cliff and being all in, right? You gotta make sure that you know everything before risking everything and fully giving your all in making your own CPN. You gotta know everything, all right? So again, as we discussed before, a CPN is like a substitute for Social Security. So there's that.
So basically, the summary: you get a positive trade line,
Mm-hmm.
you get a credit card linked to your new credit profile, and you build history. And I'm going to go to the link right now. Well, actually, I'd rather go to Credit Karma because they have a better breakdown of the how the card works, and it's better than this website actually. So I'm going to go on Credit Karma. This is my actual credit profile, not my CPN. And
Okay, so this guy, he's showing us his credit profile and he's showing us a different kinds of credit cards for trade lines. So it says here that it all has minimum deposit and a regular purchase for the annual percentage rate and the annual fee. So it just depends on what you really prefer to use when it comes to meeting its terms and conditions. What really matters is your decision because you are the one who is going to own that credit card. So you gotta be mindful of choosing your credit card.
$200 refundable deposit, 10.24% variable APR, and a $49 annual fee. The First Progress has like 4 or 5 different cards, and they have different fees. So I would go with the one with the lowest fee. This just they have like 4 different ones, First Progress. So I think if you go down, you'll see more. Like there's another one, First Progress Platinum. That one's $39, and I think they have one for $29 a month. I'm not sure. And you see the APR goes up a little bit, but
Uh-huh.
the thing with this is just get the cards, don't use them. I think this one's right here is First Progress Platinum Elite.
So he's showing us different kinds of credit cards, and it really depends on us what we really prefer to use, right? And here it says receive your card more quickly with new processing option and no credit history required for approval.
That one's $29 a month. I would actually go with that one.
I think that's a cheap one, since that's how I'm taking his tone, and it's quite convenient for the price. And its rating is like good approval odds. You can already go for this one, as he says.
Because it'll charge you every month for the whole year. So you basically take 29 divided by 12 months. I think I'm charging that per month. So it's not like one time fee. But some cards do have
Okay, so it's a down payment every time. It's installation type because you're going to pay it in 12 months.
one time annual fees. So with the first Progress Platinum card, it reports to all three major credit bureaus. Your credit line is fully secured, $200 between $2,000 deposit, and you just pay off your balance at any time.
Yeah, so that's the main system of credit cards, right? You gotta pay off your balance, pay your debts, so that you can receive your deposit back at any time. And what's important is that you're going to have a good credit score in order to buy rather the things that you like, the things that you want, and that's why we're really having these kinds of access credit cards, right? Because we're trying to, you know, make money out of it and have good credit score and increase our minimum spending limit. So that's the purpose of this video. It's showing us different kinds of cards, giving us a lot of options and making us see the bullets and the characteristics of each card, and it really depends on us on which one we are really going to use depending on our budget and depending on what we really want to use. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned a lot. Just in case you need to learn more and ask more questions, you can go to cpngenerator.com. That's our website, and we have our live representatives waiting for your calls. We're going to enlighten you, guide you, explain you some things that you really are not aware of when it comes to credit profile numbers, credit privacy numbers, okay? Any myths out there that you want to confirm, we're here to confirm, and we're here to explain what the real truth is. Alright? Are you ready for that? And if you are ready for that, go to our website, cpngenerator.com. And there are also different services, different packages when it comes to giving you Tradelines. So what are you waiting for? Let's buy that car. Let's get that mortgage. But first, let's know anything and everything about CPN. Thanks so much for watching. See you at the next video. See you on the next video. See you on the next video. See you on the next video.